Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Airbnb profile photo from your computer. Whether you're refreshing your look or uploading a clearer image, updating your profile photo helps build trust with hosts and guests alike. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to airbnb.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter either your email or phone number along with your password. After entering your credentials, click Continue to access your account. This step ensures you're working with your personal profile settings. Now that you're signed in, it's time to access your profile settings. Click on your profile avatar in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Profile, or you might see Account followed by Profile, depending on your current view. This takes you directly to where you can manage your personal information and appearance on the platform. Once you're in your profile section, locate your current profile photo. You should see an edit option directly underneath it. Click Edit under your photo, or if you see an Edit Profile button first, click that and then look for the Edit option beneath your photo. This opens up the photo editing interface where you can make your change. Next, you'll want to choose your new photo. Click on Add Photo or simply click on the existing photo area itself. This action will trigger your computer's file picker to open, allowing you to browse through your saved images. Navigate to the folder where your desired photo is stored, select the image file you want to use, and then click Open. You can also simply double-click the file to select it. After your photo uploads, look for the Submit or Save button to finalize the change. Clicking this applies your new profile photo across your Airbnb account. To verify everything updated correctly, refresh the page or navigate back to your profile view. Your new photo should now be displayed, giving your account a fresh, updated appearance. Thanks for watching.